I'm going to move my tomato, my hanging tomato, which is going to weigh a ton because it's not getting enough sun. But there's plenty of sun just down here, next to Marvin, actually, who didn't give me any bloody mulberries. But that's a story for another day. Oh, I missed. Oh, okay. Just one other thing while I'm here. I'm thinking, maybe you'd like to share your thoughts, but I'm thinking it's actually flowering already, but because tomatoes are a climbing plant, it wants to go up, but it also produces these lateral shoots which want to go sideways. So my thoughts are, I'm going to pinch the growing tip out because it's a hanging basket, and the laterals which will grow sideways and they will hang. I can't undo that, so I hope it works. It's just an intuitive thing. I've never done this before, but I'm curious to know what you think. Should I have pinched that tip out or just let the whole thing go? I hope I'm on the right track, but let's find out. Heaps more sun there now, look at that. Good boy.